Stablecoin Regulations and Compliance. In this module, we will be discussing legal and regulatory considerations for stablecoin issuers and holders, anti-money laundering, AML, and know your customer, KYC, compliance, and potential future developments in the legal and regulatory landscape. Legal and regulatory considerations for stablecoin issuers and holders. Stablecoins are subject to a variety of legal and regulatory considerations, both in terms of issuance and usage. For example, stablecoin issuers may be subject to securities laws and regulations, while stablecoin holders may be subject to tax laws and regulations. It's important for stablecoin issuers and holders to be aware of these legal and regulatory considerations, as non-compliance can result in fines and penalties. Additionally, laws and regulations vary by jurisdiction, so it's important to be aware of the laws and regulations specific to the location in which the stablecoin is being issued or held. Anti-money laundering, AML, and know your customer, KYC, compliance. Anti-money laundering, AML, and know your customer, KYC, compliance are important considerations for stablecoin issuers and holders. AML laws and regulations are designed to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes, while KYC laws and regulations are designed to prevent fraud and other financial crimes. Stablecoin issuers and holders must comply with AML and KYC laws and regulations to prevent illegal activities, such as money laundering or financing of terrorism, and to maintain the integrity of the financial system. This can include implementing strict identity verification procedures, monitoring transactions for suspicious activity, and reporting suspicious activity to the appropriate authorities. Potential future developments in the legal and regulatory landscape. The legal and regulatory landscape for stablecoins is rapidly evolving, and it's likely that new laws and regulations will be introduced in the future. For example, some governments are considering issuing their own stablecoins, while others are considering implementing stricter regulations on existing stablecoins. Additionally, new technologies, such as blockchain, could also lead to changes in the legal and regulatory landscape. Stablecoin issuers and holders should be aware of these potential future developments and be prepared to adapt to any changes in the legal and regulatory landscape. Stablecoins are subject to a variety of legal and regulatory considerations, both in terms of issuance and usage. Stablecoin issuers and holders must comply with AML and KYC laws and regulations to prevent illegal activities and maintain the integrity of the financial system. The legal and regulatory landscape for stablecoins is rapidly evolving, and it's likely that new laws and regulations will be introduced in the future, so it's important to be aware of the potential future developments. Highlights. 1. Stablecoins are subject to legal and regulatory considerations for both issuance and usage, with laws and regulations varying by jurisdiction. 2. Compliance with anti-money laundering, AML, and know your customer, KYC, regulations is essential for stablecoin issuers and holders to prevent financial crimes and maintain the integrity of the financial system. 3. The legal and regulatory landscape for stablecoins is rapidly evolving, with potential future developments including the introduction of new laws and regulations, government-issued stablecoins, and the impact of new technologies. Crypto investment involves significant risks. Please proceed with caution. The course is not intended as investment advice. The course is created by the author who has joined GateLearn. Any opinion shared by the author does not represent GateLearn.